1974 Land Rover Series III, recently fully restored. This Series III Land Rover is a beautiful example of the classic British off-roader. Featuring the period-correct inline gasoline engine, this Land Rover has the looks to drive around town and the strength to drive off-road. Finished in light blue with the white top and white wheels, this Series III has all the looks that a classic Land Rover fan desires. Recently fully restored, all the seats are finished in black that accent the blue and white colors perfectly. All gauges appear to work well and the vehicle currently shows 45 miles. If you are looking for a classic Land Rover that runs and drives well, this is the one for you. Parts and features include galvanized steel chassis, leaf springs, front and rear, new fuel tank, motor mounts, 4-speed transmission, RoverDrive, Overdrive, new Deluxe wire harness made for a full sound system with Bluetooth connectivity. Available immediately for worldwide delivery.